Yo guys, what's good? When we going over the trade breakdown today, this was the trade that I took on US30. Let me just show you the MetaTrader 5. Here's the profits, 2%, and then this was the chart thingy on MetaTrader 5, as you can see. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Alright, starting on the daily, of course, always. So on the daily, to be honest, I didn't even see that much, but from what I could see was this fair value gap right here, this bullish fair value gap, which also broke this high, actually got run through, like displaced through. And on the 4 hour, the 4 hour was the main reason why I was looking for shorts today. So at the time, it was around 12 p.m. I logged on, because that's when NY is on. Let me just mark it out. No, that'll be good enough. So on the 4 hour, I saw that price literally closed below this level. The reason why this one is very significant is because that is the chart or the market structure shift that caused the next break. So if I wanted to see shorts, this would have to be closed by like body closure. And also what also made it more probable is that the FEGs were formed. So as you can see, this massive bearish FEG and this one right here. And not only that, as I also said, on the daily, it literally fully inversed this bullish fair value gap with displacement. So now going on to the 1 hour. Let me just change this. Moving on to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, to be honest, didn't see that much because the 4 hour and daily told me most of it. So I literally fully went to the 30 minute straight away. So on the 30 minute, I saw. Let me sec. No, that's the wrong day. Oh my god, it's literally the wrong day. It was today, Tuesday 12th. So yeah. So what I saw was this key level right here. So we got 1 tap, 2 tap. So because we're looking for shorts today, I wasn't looking to long at this place. I was looking for it to break. So I marked out my key level, waited for the break. I saw the break happen with displacement. That's very important. It can't just go below. It can't just wick it. Otherwise, that's inducement, isn't it? So I literally waited for a displacement break below. I got that on the 15 minute when this fair value got formed and when this candle closed. So straight away, I'm not looking. What was that? Straight away, I'm not looking straight away to enter. I want some sort of confirmation. All right. So I went on to the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, I saw that price was down here, right? Because it broke. On the 15 minute, it broke. Price was here. I was waiting for it to tap back in. At this point in time, it's what, 12:20, 20 minutes into New York session. So I wait for the tap. It plays around for a bit up here, whatever, and then I'm literally just waiting for a change of character. So I get the change of character when this candle breaks below. So as soon as this candle breaks below, I literally hop into the position. And this is the important part. Honestly, I think this is one of the most important parts of this trade. Was the SL placement. A lot of people got railed today because their SL was in the wrong place. So I put my SL here. So on the 30 minute, as you can see, and on the 15 minute, especially the 30 minute, look on the 15 minute real quick. So the FEG's there, and then 30 minutes there. And also notice that my key level literally aligns with it. So I put my SL above here. I know that if price reaches above this, above my SL, then the trade's invalid. So that's why it was so key to have it there. But anyway, in this case, by the way, I always target 1 to 2. 1 to 2. In this case, price literally struck to my TP at NYSE open. So I entered the trader on here. Price chopped around for a bit, and then when New York opened, which is at 2:30, my bad, 2:30. Look, TP, bashed. So for some people, they actually targeted a bit lower. That's why it went all the way up to break even, and some people hit their SL. Some guys put their SL here. I was telling them nah, because that's a point of liquidity. It's probably gonna get taken. Look at this. Look how perfect it is. Liquidity. This is by the way. This is called what's it called? IRL. So internal range liquidity. So this is an inducement right here, tapping into an FVG and a key level. This is very key. So it can easily do that. So that's why you have to have your SL up here, which covers it very nicely. And then look, price came all the way up, liquidates these sellers, taps into their fair value gap, dumps again. So even if price wanted to do it at this point where it entered, it could have done that easily. Liquidate, tap, mitigate, then dump. But no, I just chose its own way. Another thing that I was going to say was, before my trade, it was, let me find it. Oh yeah, so before my trade, I think one of my friends took this, so it broke below this level. It was actually a really nice trade. Should have called it out to me, but broke this level with displacement. So as you can see, there's a fair value gap, and then all he waited for, so simple, I don't think it reached that one. All he waited for is literally a tap back into the way. Let me just turn the heater on. Wait. Wow, but because it's so cold. So where was I? Once it tapped back into his key level, all he waited for on the 5 minute was literally a change of character. So as you can see, give me a sec. As you can see, the change of character appeared here on this body closure, and then he entered his short position right there. Stops above the high, really nice stop placement. Simply targeting a 1 to 2, nothing crazy, and boom, that was his trade. What time was it? Around 11. Yeah, I don't trade London, just because from my back testing and from my results, I noticed that I lose the most in London sessions, so I literally trade NY only. But yeah guys, I hope that sums it up well, and yeah, bosh.